Did you know that certain foods can help switch on your hormonal fat burning? Yes, it's true. Our bodies are complex systems, and hormones play a pivotal role in regulating various processes, including metabolism, blood sugar levels, fat storage, and even fat burning. Hormones are like the body's internal communication system, connecting the brain to the body's many different systems and organs to keep everything running smoothly. In the realm of weight management and fat burning, hormones like leptin, adiponectin, human growth hormone, glucagon, GLP-1, CCK, PYY, testosterone, IGF, and thyroid hormones are all critical players. These hormones not only regulate how much fat we store, but also control our appetite and how much energy we burn. And the exciting part? Certain foods can help stimulate these hormones, aiding in fat burning and weight loss. So, if you're looking to shed some pounds or just maintain a healthy weight, understanding hormonal fat burning is a game changer. Let's dive into the list of foods that can aid in hormonal fat burning. First on our list, we have flax seeds. These tiny powerhouses of nutrition are packed with benefits that go beyond just being a source of fiber. Now, you might be wondering how flax seeds help with hormonal fat burning. Well, it all comes down to the magic of balance. Flax seeds are rich in lignans, compounds that not only have antioxidant properties, but also aid in maintaining hormonal balance, specifically cortisol levels. Cortisol, often labeled as the stress hormone, has a significant effect on our metabolism. When our cortisol levels are high, our bodies tend to store fat rather than burn it. So by helping to balance cortisol levels, flax seeds can indirectly aid in fat burning. But how do we incorporate flax seeds into our meals? Simple. You can add them to your morning smoothies, sprinkle them on your salad, or even blend them into your pancake mix. The possibilities are endless. So don't forget to add some flax seeds to your diet. Next on our list is red wine, a much-loved beverage across the globe. Red wine is not just a delight for your taste buds, but also a boon for your health when consumed in moderation. Now, you might be wondering how wine, often seen as a luxurious indulgence, can contribute to hormonal fat burning. It all comes down to a compound called resveratrol, found in the skin of red grapes. Research suggests that this antioxidant can help regulate blood sugar levels and may stimulate the production of certain hormones that help in fat burning. Imagine your body as a complex machine and hormones as the gears that keep it running smoothly. When these gears are well oiled, thanks to foods like red wine, your body works more efficiently at burning fat. But here's a crucial note: moderation is key. One glass of red wine a day can be beneficial, but overindulgence can lead to health issues, including weight gain. So, while enjoying the fruity notes of your favorite Merlot or Cabernet Sauvignon, remember to keep your health at the forefront. Remember, moderation is key when it comes to red wine. Moving on, we have avocados. This creamy green fruit is more than just a delightful addition to your toast or a key player in your guacamole. Avocados are packed with healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber, which can help to boost levels of certain fat-burning hormones. Specifically, the healthy fats in avocados can stimulate the production of adiponectin. This hormone works to increase fat burning and improve insulin sensitivity, assisting in the regulation of your metabolism and blood sugar levels. Moreover, the fiber in avocados is beneficial for weight management, as it aids in keeping you feeling full for longer periods of time, thereby reducing your overall calorie intake. But it's not just about fat burning. Avocados are also a great source of essential nutrients like potassium, vitamin K, and vitamin E, contributing to overall health and well-being. So enjoy that guacamole, but remember to keep portions in check. Even the healthiest of foods can contribute to weight gain if consumed in excess. Next, let's talk about green tea. A staple in many cultures worldwide, green tea is not only a delightful beverage, but also a powerhouse when it comes to hormone regulation. It's particularly beneficial for boosting metabolism and promoting fat burning, thanks to its rich content of catechins. These are antioxidants that help to increase the body's overall metabolic rate and stimulate the burning of fat. But the magic doesn't stop there. Green tea also contains a compound known as epigallocatechin gallate, commonly referred to as EGCG. This compound works wonders by inhibiting an enzyme that breaks down the hormone norepinephrine. When this enzyme is blocked, the amount of norepinephrine increases, promoting fat breakdown. So whether you enjoy it hot, cold, or even in a smoothie, incorporating green tea into your daily routine can offer a range of benefits. From boosting your metabolism to enhancing your body's ability to burn fat, it's a simple and delicious way to support your health and wellness goals. A cup of green tea a day can certainly keep the fat away. Lastly, we have chili peppers. These fiery red fruits are not just a spicy complement to your dishes, but they're also a powerful ally in your pursuit of healthy weight management. Chili peppers are rich in capsaicin, a compound that has been shown to spark the production of various hormones that help regulate metabolism and fat burning. Your body responds to the heat generated by capsaicin by raising your metabolic rate, effectively turning your body into a more efficient fat-burning machine. Moreover, research has shown that capsaicin can help suppress appetite and reduce calorie intake, providing a two-pronged approach to weight management. It's like having a personal trainer and a dietitian rolled into one spicy little package. But remember, while chili peppers are a helpful tool, they are not a magic bullet. Incorporating them into a balanced diet and regular exercise regime can yield the best results. So next time you're cooking, don't shy away from adding a little heat. A little spice can indeed make everything nice. Let's quickly recap what we've discussed today. We've traveled through a fascinating journey exploring the world of foods that can switch on hormonal fat burning, a critical element in weight loss. First, we talked about flax seeds. These tiny powerhouses are rich in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. They help manage the hormone leptin, which is vital in regulating our appetite and body weight. Just a spoonful of flax seeds in your daily diet can do wonders. Next, we delved into the world of red wine. In moderation, red wine can boost the production of adiponectin, a hormone that enhances fat burning. So, next time you sip your favorite Merlot, remember, it's doing more than just pleasing your palate. Then, we brought you the story of the humble avocado. This creamy fruit is a fantastic source of monounsaturated fats that aid in the production of testosterone, a hormone that helps in fat burning and muscle building. So don't shy away from adding a slice or two to your salad or toast. We also talked about green tea, a staple in many cultures. It's packed with antioxidants and can stimulate the production of hormones that help regulate metabolism and blood sugar levels. So keep sipping that warm cup of green tea, knowing it's working hard to keep your hormones balanced. Finally, we turned up the heat with chili peppers. They're a great source of capsaicin, a compound that triggers the release of hormones like GLP-1 and PYY, which help control hunger and boost metabolism. Remember, each of these foods plays a unique role in activating hormonal fat burning, but it's crucial to consume them as part of a balanced diet. Overindulgence or reliance on a single type of food won't bring the desired results. Remember, a balanced diet is key to a healthy lifestyle. Incorporate these foods into your diet to aid in hormonal fat burning.